Let's solve a question from time and work. A can complete a work in 15 days. B can complete the same work in 18 days. A can do it in 15, B can do it in 18. There is no more other personality here, so I can write 180. So this is 12 times, this is 10 times. A works for 5 days and then leaves. The remaining work is completed by B alone. How many days B take to complete the remaining work? So A works for 5 days. In 5 days A can do 60 unit of work. 12 into 5. Now how much work is remaining? If 60 unit of work is done, 120 unit of work is remaining. Now this 120 unit of work is to be done by B. So total work in this case is 120, because you will not write 180 because some part of work has already been done. So whatever work is remaining is to be done by B. So we will divide it by efficiency of B. This will give me the time taken by B to complete 120 unit work, and this is 12. So 12. So many of us do one mistake. We write the answer as 12 plus 5, which is 17. No, we are only supposed to find the how many days B take to complete the remaining work. B worked only for this amount of time when it had to complete 120, and that was alone only. The remaining work is to completed by B alone. So 120 unit work but divided by efficiency will give time taken by B to complete that amount of work. So this is 12 days. Very basic problem from time and work.